MacBook Pro, the best for the brightest. Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Today, I'm going to unbox a brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch 2020 model, and I got this in space gray color. The MacBook Pro is really good for video editing. This is way more upgradable than the MacBook Air 2020. So the full configuration is on the back. I am really super excited. So let's unbox it and take a first look at the 16-inch MacBook Pro 2020 model. The MacBook Pro comes in 13-inch and 16-inch model. The new MacBook Pro features a stunning 16-inch Retina display, the largest Retina display ever in a Mac notebook. Bigger screen, faster performance, better battery life, etc. So this is the 2.6 GHz 6-core 9th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB memory, 512 GB SSD, 4 Thunderbolt, 3 USB-C ports. Wow! Here is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's only 4.2 pounds. Okay, let's set this aside and see what's in the box now. Here's a Type-C USB cable. Here are some paperworks. Here's the instruction and space gray Apple stickers. Here is the 96-watt power adapter. Let's take a look into the MacBook Pro now. The MacBook Pro 16-inch is available in 2 configurations. As I said earlier, I got it in 2.6 GHz 6-core 9th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB memory. Let's take the cover off now. Wow, the space gray color is really pretty. This is the most powerful Mac you can get. Let's open this now. If you take this cover off, it automatically turns up. That's really cool. The trackpad is really smooth. It's so big. I'm gonna start setting up now. First, it asks you to choose the language. I'm choosing English. Next, it asks you to select the country. I'm choosing United States. So, next, I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi. It's asking you if you want to transfer any data from your old Mac. I'm going to set it up as new one. Terms and conditions, I click agree. Agree again. Create computer account. I created one. Next, analytics. I click continue. I'm going to set up Siri later. Touch ID. Keep your finger in the Touch ID and take it back. Continue until it turns red. Now the Touch ID is ready to use. Choose your look, light, dark or auto. I'm going to choose the dark mode, so let's click it. Next is True Tone display. I'm going to keep the True Tone display off because it makes the video or photo warmer. And now the final setup is going on. So the setup is all done. This is how it looks like. Mac OS Catalina, the power of Mac taken further. Dedicated apps for music, TV, and podcasts. Smart new features like Sidecar. Powerful technology for developers. And a whole new class of apps now on Mac. The trackpad is really smooth and big. It's really nice. The new Magic Keyboard features a refined scissor mechanism with responsive, comfortable, and quiet typing experience. Next is audio. Bigger bass, better mic. MacBook Pro has a big voice. The 6-speaker sound system with dual force cancelling woofers. Welcome back to my another video. Today we're going on a road trip to Lake Okoboji. The volume is really clear, and here is the touch bar. It's really cool. You can also adjust the volume, brightness, etc. Using this touch bar, you can also do emojis on them. It's really cool. I like it a lot. The touch bar puts powerful shortcuts front and center. The keys are very smooth and satisfying. Touch ID provides fast authentication. A dedicated escape key allows quick switching between modes and views. MacBook Pro is equipped with 4 ports, so you can do all of that from either side, and Thunderbolt 3 is reversible, so no matter how you plug in, it's always right side up. Apple T2 security chip. The next generation of security, every MacBook Pro is equipped with the Apple T2 security chip. Storage bring your whole studio with you. The 16-inch MacBook Pro has up to 8 TB of SSD storage. Next is Sidecar. Sidecar lets you extend your workspace by using your iPad as a second Mac display. A battery with a strong work ethic. The 16-inch MacBook Pro has the lightest capacity battery we have ever put in a notebook. The apps you love are now more beautiful and intelligent than ever, so your everyday tasks are easier than ever. The new MacBook Pro is by far the most powerful notebook ever made, with an immersive 16-inch Retina display, super fast processors, next generation graphics, the largest battery capacity ever in a MacBook Pro, a new Magic Keyboard, and massive storage. The 6-speaker sound system, touch bar, touch ID for easy login. It's the ultimate Pro notebook for the ultimate user. I hope I covered all the points. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!